the home screen of the application, and do have quite a few features. You have the background removal option here. You have the enhance feature here, which pretty much enhance your images, and also the photo upscaling, which is pretty much the same thing. These are pretty much the same thing, but only two features, which is the image enhancer and the background remover. So all you have to do is just select whichever one you want to use. And let's say, for example, this one here, all I have to do is just add an image. Once I have added that image from my gallery, as you can see here, then I select the cutout option here. And also can tap on the other option as it relates to this. And yeah, that's really pretty much it. Then once I've done that, I tap on the cutout option, and it will pretty much remove the background. So it will ask to download resources if it's the first time using their application. You may see an ads, just watch the ads, nothing much for that, but once it's finished, you're pretty much good to go. So that's how easy it is. Same thing applies for any one of these features, which is pretty much the image enhance feature. Well, here I select whichever image. Let's say you want this one. All you have to do is select it. Once it's been selected, it pretty much can add the upscale option. And let's say you already selected, you can pretty much tap on the image and then delete it. Do make sure you do that, because if you don't do that, you won't be able to upload the next image and use that one instead. So do make sure delete the image, then you upload the different image that you want to improve the quality for, or remove the background. So to remove the ads on this application, you have to tap on the remove ads feature at the top here. It will pretty much show you their subscription. If I tap on upgrade here, it will just pretty much show me the price on their next application, which doesn't give you any ads or anything like that. Get everything completely free. So you can go ahead and check out their other application, which is this here, and we'll be doing a review on their next application, which is this one here, to let you guys see how this one works. But without further ado, be sure to subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell. If you have any problem at all, comment below. I will help you guys. See you in the next one.